Many activities. We have horseshoes, we have cornhole, volleyball in the pool, volleyball on the beach. Many activities. Kayak, totally invited, all kind of activities. Okay?
Thank you.
Is the sacred tree of the Mayan, so properties took the liberty to put one here in the property so they can render some homage to the local culture. The ceiba is considered the branches to be the part of the heaven in the Mayan cosmology. The trunk is the earthly realm and the roots are the underground. We have two important areas, which is Mistral. This is our snack bar for lunch between breakfast and dinner. It's for things like hamburgers, nachos, that quick bites that you can get, and the bar obviously. And I don't know if you have commented, we have the bar service for pool and beach. And we have several waiters taking orders, taking the beverages up and down, also in the swim-out suites. We just cannot offer the food service for
You're fine.
hygiene reasons. And over there in the bar we have another small bar, and upstairs is the Sas restaurant, which is open for breakfast and lunch for Serenity exclusively. In the nights it's closed, so we use it for romantic dinners, small ceremonies or receptions. We have had up to 60 guests in cocktail setups and up to 40 guests in dinner setups.
One thing to note, it's a minor thing, but it's something I really noticed, is all of the restaurants have their own kitchens. So they're not bringing food from some other area, they're actually preparing it in that same area.
It's good for allergies too, yeah.
For allergies, cross-contamination, exactly. And it keeps it warm. And you probably noticed that most of the restaurants that we've eaten in have an open kitchen, so you can see what the chef's preparing.
The Alush's house. What are Alush's? Alush's are entities from nature right here in the Mayan space. They are little spirits-like, they are spirit-like entities. They protect the balance of the nature. They are a little naughty, so when you do not respect the nature, they do naughty things to you. They throw stones at your window, they don't let you sleep, they steal kids if they're behaving naughty. So when here in the peninsula we do a new construction, a new building, we have to ask for their permission so they can keep the balance and we can keep the respect of the space in nature. So we can build them a little, like a shrine kind of style, so they can have somewhere to live and somewhere to gather and protect the space in the hotel. The Aluches.
Aluches.
Kind of little from the room service, and you have the red bottom, do not be disturbed at your room. They will deliver here inside. You have another one inside, it's a lock, so it's really safe. And in case of COVID, it's really helpful for us to clean everything and to keep the people inside. And,
fresh things through the box.
So we have contact. All the rooms have this privacy box.
Okay. Yeah.
So much that you never see it.
are building 1, 4, and 5. They have one master suite, 1 bedroom, or 2 bedrooms. So they share like a little hall, and you have 2 different bedrooms. So for couples, family, couples of friends, it's perfect.
That's nice.